Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Alaji.
There is no two ways about it. Say very disappointing. Say yebenyam babunua. Womu ye nyoma bia ene ye culture ene ye suni ye bayano ebobra. It bring forth a lot of questions. I was say yesterday bisa ye ho. Yamba no a yede wo mo eku school no tibie ben e na omo wo mu a ebema depa waku school na yese ye be try exam be dem gidi say na wo efu mu a se wo dem say obedo na wo bia na wa hwe ho ama no you know this is your job sanso na wo go school a wo say wo go su ade na wa try exams. So the issue of apo anase cheating in your no should not come in at all. You are even lucky say sikasem ni nyama no wo bia wono ebehwe so ama wo de na an say obeku school until say sikasem no ne yekeka wono ono so behwe. Still, your young ones be more very unfortunate. They have to also more for themselves to keep surviving in the account. But that notwithstanding, generally, you know, Minjin say obi wa or Bekache or say Adia and Kwalani, you know, I mean, it is wrong. One can say I do and yet. But you see, I will say yesterday be beside Then I dream po and about mutim answer. Womu eko ya womu fi say ade omo expecting na baby fufro aba. Then I dream po about mutim. And then she say, I mean, Nana is just fair. We dig further say ye be bisa questions. Na yes a bia ye de so bo no bebe ye be bo nkwala no na echire no wa be hu ni say yes sir.
Alaji bisa question be or
correct. First one no and say emra na ye chiche sa papers no and as I sa pamphlet na ye pass questions ni ye keka ho e de ama ho then ena eba o muti then e ka kire wo aso emre bia ye tro exams no ye bisa ye ho say enkwala no wo mo ankasa timi koto anase womu eye nhihye bi anase aban na ya eto ma wo eba ne sen e na afiwe aban ekoto saa nyoma no e de ma wo. I mean those are the fundamental questions. Inti saa nhihye no ebe ma wo say okay and inti da nkwala no nya saa adwumpo we. So you don't put the blame squarely and wholly on nkwala no kwa.
Inti yemfa nto hwan so.
Processes ni nyina abapemene
process being
the entire examination processes no ebepem no yen bisa nsema efa why mo na take why mo na dey sa ehuma we e dey buy as we speak now me kai said news be by some time ago our ministry no e dey betu that's the Ministry of Education e dey betu just say oh wo mo ato sa we enkrata we e dey amankwala no to aid them in the exams ahomo ebetrodin dey keka ho. That is what I mean. That's the surfaces are memete here and it ended there. Wabra ye nyina enim say wo mu kura pasco a wo mu sua ne minim ne say ye de pasco adas wo control exams bia especially essay ni ne ekeka ho wo make reference to some mathematical formula ni ne ekeka ho wo besua ehunu say okay examiners no say bisa question say ya ade o pese ote na wo hunu say wo tia sa subject na say no and ni they will give you examples of answers are na very good obia edwo nti wo hwe sa answers na ma idea what exactly the examiner is expecting from you. So be some question I say me time I was school, that is what we understood the Pasco to me. Now what prepare would be an incident I don't know whether it's still done. Some mock exams now
And I saw her.
Now why your mock need be a check here. I mean to refresh yourself and make sure say we'll call for the exams, because it is something that you want to do once and for all. Now what the better with Yako with him, I question Eba. Eba and the same Enna and Kwalano enya sa corrupt idea say obi ayen hyehyɛ bi ama wo mo ana wo mo expect say obi di so na ambaso. So is it the case say Kwalano doing say there was a preparation to corrupt them even before they even get into our job market? Is that the case? Me them if you say this is what requires deeper, you know saying, research and analysis to arrive at the conclusion, because Sadiano ebe twice to say it is very, very dangerous going forward. And producing. I see. You are making reference to some of the pictures ne idea omode to Facebook so and social media in general. And you gonna be I mean from time to time we school be young ladies ne your ma omoye. What I have to say, and I say, I have a saying, lady B, I was South Africa. To say, Okunya Juma Kasibi with MTN. Now, lady now say, I mean, she passed her interview a year, very a Juma because that is the right material for that position. After a month during her probation, your friend lady way for board meeting. They pass social media activities, some nude pictures ne keka ho ebe chere no I catch and say one brand equity no one ebo ho ban kese nti say one mo de ne ka ho na da achi bi obi di sa asem we ba sencho ni bi kofa ne keka ho a ebe affect one brand nti juma no on fanto on fanko. I mean it's very sad. Ebia na emra no ye no hwe ye nyina ya ye nkwalada. There are some of the adventures now will be taken. It is just for the peer pressure. It is just to test. Abia seniority now was work or testing na ninino and ye no nebeye usubai. But the disadvantage I want then and they say we have systems are keeping records. And I mean, every young man, every young lady, there was systems are keeping record in this day and age as a result of ICT. It is a one now in your attempt to do most of these things, obviously I grow emra when you bria opesa odi life here bibi now you refer back because we have a system I keep record in there. Inti moma nyina especially with the issue of social media, the pictures, the nyoma ye de beto ho ne ekeka ho is very important. I see. But all in all, ubisa media media maker say much as Nkwalano anyadie much as a sefata say omobenya asutwin bi even from the parents of Nkwalano enyamede say mekra no a ena na Nkwalano ye yamesa no a I mean it's enyamede Nana
Okase I am a teacher.
Peace FM 104.3 Good to meet